How to fix indigestion at home? This question haunts millions of people every single day, and if you're watching this video, chances are you're one of them. Did you know that over 60 million Americans suffer from digestive issues monthly? Yet 90% of them are using remedies that actually make their problems worse. If you've been struggling with painful bloating, uncomfortable stomach cramps, or that heavy feeling after meals, what you're about to discover could be the missing link to finally fixing your digestion naturally. But here's the scary part. Most people think they know how to handle indigestion, but they're unknowingly damaging their gut health even more. Stay with me, because remedy number 4 is going to shock you, and it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Most people think that popping antacids or drinking milk will fix indigestion, but in reality, these common solutions might be making things worse. Here's why. When you take antacids, you're actually reducing your stomach's natural acid production. But here's what doctors don't tell you. Your stomach needs acid to properly break down food. Without enough stomach acid, food sits there longer, ferments, and creates even more gas and bloating. The milk myth is even more dangerous. Dairy products are one of the hardest things for your digestive system to process, especially when it's already struggling. You're essentially throwing gasoline on a fire. But the biggest mistake? Ignoring the root cause. Indigestion isn't just about what you ate. It's a warning sign that your entire digestive system is out of balance. And when your digestion is compromised, toxic waste starts building up in your intestines, leading to weight gain, fatigue, and even more serious health issues. Let me share 4 powerful home remedies that actually work, backed by science and real results. Remedy number 1, apple cider vinegar. This might sound counterintuitive, but adding acid actually helps your digestion. Take 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water 15 minutes before meals. The acetic acid helps break down proteins and kickstarts your digestive enzymes. A 2018 study showed that people who used this method experienced 40% less bloating within just 1 week. Remedy 2, ginger root tea. Fresh ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols that speed up gastric emptying, basically helping food move through your system faster. Slice a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, steep it in hot water for 10 minutes, and drink it 30 minutes before eating. But here's the mistake most people make. They use ginger powder or store-bought teas that have lost most of their potency. Remedy number 3, the 5-5-5. Breathing technique. Stress is a hidden culprit behind indigestion. When you're stressed, your body shuts down digestion to focus on survival mode. Try this. Breathe in for 5 counts. Hold for 5. Breathe out for 5. Do this for 5 minutes before meals. Research from Harvard Medical School shows this simple technique can improve digestion by up to 30%. Remedy number 4, the enzyme activation trick. This one's going to surprise you. Take a small pinch of sea salt and place it on your tongue 10 minutes before eating. This triggers your body to produce more digestive enzymes and stomach acid naturally. Ancient healing traditions have used this method for thousands of years, and modern science now confirms it works. But here's what Sarah from Michigan discovered. She tried all these remedies for months, and while they helped, she still struggled with that stubborn bloating and the extra weight that wouldn't budge. That's when Sarah found something that changed everything. You see, while these home remedies can provide relief, they don't address the deeper issue, the toxic buildup that's been accumulating in your intestines for years. With this one simple method, you'll be able to quickly soothe your gut, restart your digestion, and drop up to 10 pounds of toxic buildup clogging your intestines within days. It sounds weird, but thousands of men and women with digestive issues say it works wonders. Moreover, it's 100% backed by science. This breakthrough technique doesn't just treat the symptoms, it actually helps flush out the pounds of waste matter that's been trapped in your colon, causing that persistent bloating, weight gain, and digestive discomfort. Sarah lost 8 pounds in her first week and said her stomach felt flatter than it had in years. The best part? She finally had the energy to play with her grandkids again. If you truly want to completely end your digestive issues, and empty your bowels faster, and feel lighter, and even lose some extra weight starting today, don't miss the technique in this breakthrough presentation. The link to this life-changing method is in the description below and in the pinned comment. But here's the thing. Thousands of people are already using this technique, and the word is spreading fast. If you're ready to finally experience comfortable digestion, release that stubborn weight, and feel energized again, Click that link right now. The sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. Your gut health affects everything: your energy, your mood, your weight, even your immune system. Don't let another day go by suffering from indigestion, when the solution is just one click away. Check out the first link in the description or the pinned comment to discover how you can start transforming your digestion today. Your future self will thank you.